Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the blood pressure monitor by Hylogy. Digital wrist blood pressure monitor with fully automatic heart rate pulse detection and a large LCD display. 2 user mode, 180 memory records, FDA and CE approved, accurate and fast. The blood pressure monitor uses high precision sensor, measuring accuracy, pressure plus minus 3 mmHg, pulse is plus minus 5% of reading, less than 1 minute response time, give you accurate and fast measurement. Easy to understand it is. This digital blood pressure monitor uses different color classifications by systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure and pulse rate. You will be able to determine to which category your BP belongs with a single glance. It has a memory function on board that means 180 memory capacity, allows 2 individuals keeping track of your blood pressure with data and timestamp at the push of a button. Humanized design, BPN monitors, large cuff, super large LCD display, a special facility, the aged person, comfort big blood pressure wrist cuff suits for almost everyone, automatic shutdown, low energy consumption, and it's so easy to use. This wrist blood pressure monitor is a fully automatically blood pressure machine for home use. Just one button operation. This multifunctional blood pressure monitor will measure your blood pressure, heart rate and pulse automatically. It gives you the most reliable reading through the large LCD screen. Lightweight design gives you the accuracy you need with the portability you want. It has an advanced power, comprehensive measurement available for systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, and pulse rate detection. Hypertension and irregular heart rate indicator if it is abnormal blood pressure or regular heart rate is detected. The warning symbols will appear. One button intelligent operation, simple and convenient, suitable for self-measurement. That means you do not need a doctor every day. The doctor will only give a short basic information once a month, for example. But for your home, you can use this easygoing device. The D-ring cuff, more convenient than standard blood pressure cuffs. You just slip your wrist through the cuff and pull it tight. Lightweight come with a box. You can take it with you wherever you go. Always monitor it yourself. It is easy to use. It is nice to have a reaction with this. Nice. Avoid drinking coffee and alcohol or eating before testing. Sit tall, straight, relax and quiet when measuring and wait 3 until 5 minutes for next measuring. Use your left wrist and put the palm up. Keep the monitor 1 until 2 centimeters away from your palm. Put the monitor toward your heart and the same level as your heart will give one balanced way. Measuring your blood pressure early in the morning at the same time every day. And if you have a specification for this, that means it is an oscillometric method and it has a cuff circumference of 13.5 until 21.5 centimeters. These are 5.3 inches until 8.5 inches. That means so many different human individual can use this thing. If you buy this, like me, you can use the wrist blood pressure monitor, the storage box, the user manual in different languages, 2 AAA batteries, and that it is what you need for your pressure measuring. It is easy to use and easy to handle. But what is blood pressure? BP short. That is the pressure of circulating blood on the walls of blood vessels, used without further specification. Blood pressure usually refers to the pressure in large arteries of the systemic circulation. Blood pressure is usually expressed in terms of the systolic pressure, maximum during one heartbeat, over diastolic pressure, minimum in between two heartbeats, and is measured in millimeters of mercury, mmHg, above the surrounding atmospheric pressure. That means all these informations are on the screen of your device. SYS means this is the systemic, not the systemic, it is the systolic pressure, maximum during one heartbeat in mmHg. And there is another step, it is a DIE measuring. That means it is a diastolic pressure, minimum in between two heartbeats in mmHg, millimeters of mercury. And of course, you can see your pulse ratio. That means how many times did your heart beat at 1 minute? And all these informations will give you an overview of your health status at home. The classification is hypotension under 90 systolic mmHg and under 60 diastolic mmHg. Normal is 90 until 119 or 90 until 129 systolic mmHg. That is a normal pressure. And the diastolic normal value is 60 until 79 or 60 until 84. If you have a pre-hypertension, it is high normal. It comes from 120 to 139 mmHg systolic and 60 until 89 diastolic mmHg. This is high normal. And as you can see, 136 in this case, that means here is a pre-hypertension, a high normal value. Stage 1 hypertension is 140 until 139 systolic and 90 until 89 diastolic. And if you have stage 2 hypertension, it comes from 160 until 180 systolic and 100 until 109 diastolic. This is stage 2 hypertension. And hypertension urgency is over 180 systolic. This is a lot. And it is more than 110 diastolic. For this thing, you need a doctor because you need some drugs for this. The risk of cardiovascular diseases increases progressively above 115 to 75 mmHg. In practice, blood pressure is considered too low only if noticeable symptoms are present. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and see you next time again. So.